Welcome students, and today we'll start with chapter 5, which is more on PowerPoint 2007. And in this particular chapter we'll understand how to create PowerPoint, how to open and save it, after which we'll move towards inserting a table, entering data in a table, table tools, and lastly aligning text in a table. So let's start. First of all, we have to understand what is PowerPoint. PowerPoint is a software through which we use to make presentations. It is a presentation program developed by Microsoft. PowerPoint is often used to create business presentations, but can also be used for educational or informal purposes. The presentations are comprised of slides, which may contain text, images, and other media, such as audio clip and movies. Now let's start. Now this is my desktop. Now to start with PowerPoint, you have to go to Start, then search for PowerPoint. Now you can see Microsoft PowerPoint 2010 is there. This is my version what I am having. You can work on 2007, 2003, whichever version you are having. As I clicked on Microsoft PowerPoint 2010, this particular screen appeared. Now you can see that this particular screen is divided into certain parts. So first we'll discuss about those parts. On the left top, you can see certain icons are there. This is known as Quick Access Toolbar, QAT. Okay, Quick Access Toolbar. In this particular bar, there is all the options which are now and then it is required. Okay. Then moving towards your right side, here you can see three buttons are there, which is minimize, maximize, and close. And in the center you can see it is written presentation 1 dash Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, this is the default name which is given by the software. Okay, now moving down, you can see all the menus are there: home, insert, design, transitions, animation, slideshow, review, view, and storyboarding, under which there is one ribbon. In this particular ribbon, whatever sub menus are there in this particular menu will appear there. Okay, so when I will click insert, see all the sub menus what is there, and all the tools whatever I want, whatever options I want, I can click from here and can use it. Okay, so this is done. Quick access toolbar is here, then default name is here, then towards your right side, close, maximize, and minimize. Then under it, menus are there, then ribbon is there. Towards your left, you can see one panel is there, slides panel, where all the slides will be there. Whatever you will work in this particular place, that particular slide will appear here. Okay, and you can short the slides also. You can move it up or down according to your convenience. Then moving towards the bottom part, you can see one bar is there. In this particular bar, you will see the status of it, everything, in which slide you are, and after that towards your right bottom, you can see all the options are there: normal, then slide sorter. In this slide sorter, all the slides will come one by one and you can sort it according to your convenience. Then next is reading view. Then after that, after making the slide, you can just see it in a slideshow. This is the option. Now coming back to the normal view. Now next one is here you can see one plus and minus is there. Through this you can zoom in and zoom out. If you want to zoom in and zoom out, you can take the help of this plus and this minus. This is the slider for zoom. Okay, now here one more column you can see, click to add note. This is the note if you want to write certain note for the speaker, whoever speaking, so you can write it here, and this particular write up can be seen, or you can treat it as a note of that particular slide. Now coming to the slide, here it is written click to add title. As I will click, then that particular text will disappear, and here I can write anything whatever I want. St. Joseph's Convent School, and here I can write, click to add subtitle TFRI Jabalpur. Okay, this is the default slide what came in when we opened. Okay, so title will be here and subtitle will be here. Now if you want to add more slides, what you have to do, you have to go to home, then you can see new slide, you can click on it, and then there are different types of slides. Total 9 types of slides are there. Title slide, title and content, section headers, to content, comparison, title only, blank, content with caption, picture with caption. Okay, so out of these 9 you can select any, and if you don't want any of the layout, then you can simply click on blank and you can make the adjustment according to yourself. So I'm making it. For giving the title, I have clicked on insert. Then these are the tools what I can use. So for title I'm using word art, and as I clicked on that particular option, you can see text appeared, and I have placed it here, and then I have selected it. Okay, after inserting the title, now I want to insert some text here. So what I will do, I will click on insert, then text box, then I will click on the slide, and whatever text I want I can type it here. You can see one cursor is blinking there. There you have to write. Here I have written St. Joseph Convent School TFRI. Okay, and whatever you want you can write, and I have placed it in the center. After putting the text in the center, I want to insert one image. So what I have to do, I have to click on insert, then picture. Now one dialog box will come, and this is a dialog box from where I have to take the image or any other image wherever you have saved. Suppose I'll take an image from the desktop. So I'll take this image. I'll take this image. So you can see this complete slide is covered with this image. Now you can adjust according to your convenience and your requirements. You can see the way I am dragging and making it small and large. Okay, small and large according to my convenience. Okay, now you can type whatever you want to type on this particular image, and how you will do I will show you. Again you click on insert, then text box, then you can type. I have written just type. You can write whatever you want. Okay, this is done. So how to create, and now how to insert data, insert text box, insert title, then insert image. This I have done. After this, now how to save the presentation. So what we have to do, we have to click on file, save. This dialog box will appear. Now towards your left you can see all the folders and drives are there. Okay, so wherever you want to save you can click on it. Suppose I want to save in desktop, so I have clicked on desktop. Now file name, so I'm writing school. 97,003 presentation and save. Continue. Now on the desktop you can see one file is there with the name school. Okay, so your file is saved. Now one more option is there to save, which is Ctrl plus S. By this also your presentation will be saved. Now let me close this. Now again what I'll do, I'll go to start and again I will write PowerPoint. Now in this particular slide I'll show you how to open the previous one. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to go to file, then open, then wherever you have saved it you have to go there. I have saved in desktop, so this is school. Okay, open. Now you can see whatever we have done, so that is there. Now we have opened. How to open? You have to go to file, then open, and you have to browse wherever you have saved your file. Now moving towards the table part, how to insert a table. So what you have to do, you have to click on insert, then first option you can see table, you have to click on it, then different boxes are there, so you can see, or we'll do one thing, we'll take a new slide, so blank. Okay, now click on insert table. Now insert table. So on the screen you all can see the change, the rows and columns are coming. As many as I want I can click on that and the tables will appear. This is one option, how to create table. Now how to insert data. Click on the cell wherever you want to insert data and you can start writing on it. Serial number, name, then press tab, and after pressing the tab you can see automatically it is moving to the next cell. Name, then date of birth and class. This is the dummy data what I am putting. Again I have pressed tab and the cursor came to the next line, so I am putting the dummy data. Rakesh. So now you can put the data whatever you want in your table whenever you will make. Okay, so this is one way how you can insert table and how you can enter data in it. Now the another way what I will teach you, that is by taking a slide, go to new slide. Now you can see title and content, you can select this one. Now one more slide is there. In this title part you can give the title Saint Convent School. In this part you can see click to add text. Okay, so here some options are there, whatever you want you can click on it. You can insert table, you can insert chart, you can insert smart art graphics, you can insert pictures, you can insert clip art, and you can insert media clips. Okay, so what I will do, I'll click on insert table. Now here one pop-up appears asking number of columns, how many columns I want. I can give there how many rows I want, 5 rows, and press OK. You can see 3 columns and 5 rows. Now again the same thing, you can see the cursor is blinking here, so you can write whatever you want, whatever column heading you want to give, you can give. And after inserting data in the cell, simply press tab and it will move to the next line. Then again you can put some dummy data. Then again I am putting one dummy data. Okay. One more way I'll show you how you can insert. Click on insert, table, or we'll do one thing, we'll take one more slide, blank slide. Now in this, click on insert, table, insert table. By clicking on insert table, this particular dialog box will come. Now here it will ask number of columns and number of rows. You have to define how many columns you want and how many rows you want and press OK. Done. These are the three ways how you can insert table and you can insert text on it. Now coming to the next part of it, which is formatting and editing. So as you all have seen, as I have clicked on this particular table, it came to design. So here some options are there. You can make the appearance little bit more attractive of the table. So whatever I want, suppose I'll click on this, you can see as I have clicked here, the appearance have changed. Okay, in the same way you can change the shading. If you want the color to be changed, the background color, you can change it. The borders you can change whatever you want. Different types of borders are there. All borders you want, outside borders you want, top borders you want, whatever you want, you can change it from here. And moving towards draw borders part, here you can see your different types of borders are there. You can select it and according to it the changes will come. This is the formatting part, and table style you can change it from here. Okay. And lastly, aligning the text. How you can align the text. Now if you want to align the complete text or if you want to align only a row, what you have to do, you have to select it, then layout. Here you can see different options are there. You can see the change, what is happening there. Okay, so in layout option you can go and make the alignment of the text. In the same way you can select all the data of the table and you can make the changes. With this we have finished with the topics, and if you have any doubts, feel free to share with me. Thank you.